Hi, today we will learn how to play Sunday Morning by Maroon 5. I don't like long intros, so let's get straight to the tutorial. You will need D minor, G7, and C major 7. The strumming pattern that I'm doing is down, 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 up, once on D minor, once on G7, and twice on C major 7. Down, 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 up. So let's put that together and play a few times. 1, 2, you can do it. 1, 2, D minor, ready, go. Down, 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 twice. D minor, and twice. One more time from the top, ready, go. Yeah. So now you're ready to add some lyrics, and yes, this is the pattern for the whole song. So let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Verse, go. Sunday morning, rain is falling. Still some covers share some skin. Clouds are shining us in moments unforgettable. Just infect the world that I am in. The things just get so crazy, living life gets hard to do. Badly hit about it, oh if I knew that someday it would lead me back to you. That someday it would lead me back to you. That maybe all I need, that missing is all I see. Come and rest your love with me. Driving slow on Sunday morning, I never want to leave. So that is all you need to play Sunday Morning by Maroon 5. It's really crazy how simple this song can be. Well, on the ukulele, the singing is a different story. But I want to take a little minute to thank the sponsor of today's video. That's Music. They make the ukulele that I'm playing today, and this ukulele comes in different sizes as well. They have guitars and like wooden ukuleles if you're looking for something like that. It comes with like really great accessories and a really great price. So I'm gonna link them down below if you're interested. And let me know which song I should make a tutorial of next. I'm trying to read all of the comments and respond with tutorials, so let me know. See you later. Ciao!